This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Rosa Merlino. This well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home sits on a 1/4 acre lot. The exterior of the home is freshly painted. The interior offers an open floor plan, split bedrooms, upgraded flooring, eat and breakfast nook, large amount of kitchen storage space, stainless appliances, and spacious bedrooms. The main suite is large and the bathroom has been upgraded with travertine tile in shower and a round large soaking tub. There is an open patio and plenty of room for a pool. The AC system was replaced in 2016, water system replaced in August 2020, and well pump replaced in November 2020. This home is conveniently located just off Alabama Rd and Homestead, close to SR 82 in central Lehigh. This home is ready for new owners to love it. For more information